Hello everybody, I'm Elizaveta from Fethiye. I clean up my workshop. Synthetic winterizer scraps, stabilizer scraps, fabric leftovers and very small scraps from previous project. All this can be thrown away, but I suggest doing it in an environmentally friendly way. There are also two strange fabrics, mesh purple and white tulle. These fabrics are not needed. I threw small pieces of multicolored fabrics into this box. Today they will be bases and very important elements. I take the most beautiful carmine fabric. Carefully cut out the square. I will stabilize this piece with scraps of stabilizer. From piece of synthetic winterizer, I make an auxiliary layer. It is needed for volume and for the reasonable disposal of scraps of synthetic winterizer. Next, I add various fabric scraps. After that, I close all the layers with transparent material with embroidery. I fix in the hook. I'm doing a stitch. Ready. I take out the block from the hoop. I thread the end of the threads into the thickness of the product. I do the next block in the same way, but this block will be with purple grid. On a purple grid, I embroidered with yellow threads. Very important, the bobbin should have embroidery threads on it. I remove the stabilizer. Embroidered blocks must be aligned. I prepared 30 blocks. Here are the cuties. I secured the perimeter of the blocks with temporary hand stitches. I pinned the lace blocks. On a large surface, I distribute color combination. That's so normal. Now I will stitch the squares into the stripes. I take lace for process all sections. I sew lace like this, only half. I sew the second piece on the other side. I turn over the work piece. I sew lace on this side as well. I like this processing. I connect all the elements. The stripes are ready. Now I sew the stripes. Ready. The processing of the outer cut remained. I sew the lace in half, then go around the cut. First line. I move in the product. I tightly wrap around the edge of product with lace. I sew on lace. Now I need advice from you. I saw in a test item. Should I stitch in this place or not? And here is such an element. Do such elements around the perimeter. The pizza plate is ready. I didn't spend a single cent. I didn't throw anything away. I did this with my children. This is my best blanket. Write your advice about this moment. The descriptions contains links to the shop with handicraft. By buying in these stores, you are giving jobs to Turkish women. Subscribe to the channel, like this video, share the video. All the best in your sewing. Bye bye. Permanent heading on my channel, Wanted Cat.